Wet felting does not have to be flat. It can also be sculptural, like this piece from Lisa Granbeck. Wet felting, especially when making something sculptural, needs a lot of fiber. Imagine if it had very thin walls. Would it stand? Definitely not. Just like a thin cotton bag would not stand, this is why objects made of 100% wool are so expensive. The more sculptural it is, the thicker the walls of the form need to be. You can see on this piece how thick the walls of the form are. These types of wet felted vessels or structures have become increasingly popular, but again, it takes a lot of wool. A basic cat house takes 200 to 300 grams of wool. Malabrigo, which is my favorite wool dyer, sells roving in 113-gram pieces for about $15. So you would need 2 of those, at least, to make the basic cat house. So it's at least $30. Clover sells pieces of wool tops that are 20 grams for about $5. So just think about the cost and the amount of material you are using. Especially if you're going to sell your work, you want to make sure you are making more money than you spent on your materials.